Honestly, if I were to not have this in front of me and to be able to show you this video, you might not believe it. This is what I called my caped tomato Crusader. See, look at this. It's a tomato looking almost humanoid with a cape. Superhero tomato. Or actually, maybe we should just call it Happy Tomato. Oh my gosh, maybe this is what the Happy Tomato is really all about. It's awesome. That is like some of the best imperfect produce ever. I'm going to take some close-ups and some shots so that we can turn this into a superhero character sometime in the future, maybe. Anyway, or at least think about it, or talk about it, or make a video about it, or something. Alright, so first we start with this. Alright, we want all angles, right? I don't even know how to do this, so that maybe if I skewered it. Oh, wow. Alright, we will. Dang it. Much as I hate to sacrifice the tomato, this is what I can think of as the best way to get it from all angles without holding it. Maybe while I have it, before it wilts, I can have it flying. Flying tomato. And so the legend, oh, don't fall off. The legend, oh, I need a fork skewer, hang on. I knew there was a reason they made fondue forks. And this was the legend of the Happy Tomato born. Happy Tomato, skew, flying off into the distance, looking for people to make happy. And me, as it turns up right, I am the Happy Tomato. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Never mind, my eyes are a little misplaced. You might see one is at the bottom of the first nodule and the other's at the top. All right, angles. I wonder if I can give this to Martin and ask him to use it so that he can take some video so that we can do something cool with it. What do you think, Martin? I might have to put it in the fridge now then, since I've already skewered it. All right.